and Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Coweta County in west-central Georgia, southwestern Fulton County in north-central Georgia until 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:51 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Seton Lake, or 8 miles east of Carrollton, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newton, Carrollton, Palmetto, Whitesburg, Chattahoochee Hills, Bland Eats, Byers Crossroads, Kenna, Arnco Sargent, Seton Lake, Fairplay, Handy, Dunaway Gardens, Clem, Treasure Lake, Roscoe, and Madras. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
At 11 a.m. in Peachtree City.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until noon Eastern Daylight Time for central Carroll and Douglas counties. At 11:43 a.m. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Coweta County in west-central Georgia, southwestern Fulton County in north-central Georgia until 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:51 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Seton Lake, or 8 miles east of Carrollton, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newton, Carrollton, Palmetto, Whitesburg, Chattahoochee Hills, Bland Eats, Byers Crossroads, Kenna, Arnco Sargent, Seton Lake, Fairplay, Handy, Dunaway Gardens, Clem, Treasure Lake, Roscoe, and Madras. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.